Okay, so I'm back. Um, in the trade, we are longing this time, right? I think. Yeah, longing. Oh my word. So previous day, not previous day, day before last, I took a trade on this day here, the 1st of October, and I went short. The day was obviously bullish, but we caught a win, and then so I was wrong there, and I do think now. You see, yesterday we retraced back into a discount within this range, as well as filling this fair value gap. So for me, we are absolutely bullish going into this day here. On the 4 hour, we had this retracement into, well, we took out this sell side liquidity, filled this fair value gap. We are obviously in this 4 hour gap, but I do think overwhelmingly on a higher time frame, as in the daily, we are bullish, so that shouldn't be too much of an issue. On the 1 hour, we had some expansion, retracing into this fair value gap here, filled, expecting price to kind of come up and take out this high again, maybe even push all the way through this kind of section here. 15 minute, so I've marked out the range from when this move kind of started, so from this low to this high. We've retraced into a discount, consolidated a bit, took out the sell side on the 5 minute there, as you can see, took out the sell side, and then on the 1 minute we've entered, well, we've delivered really nicely off of this order block here, so you can see this, it's pretty much, I've been looking at this, keeping an eye on it, because obviously it's the move down that took sell side. So prices held that really nice, and we're expecting price to kind of rally up to these highs here. And we set my stop loss to this low here, and then I'm kind of debating the take profit. I'm definitely gonna take one. I might take 50% of the position here, or maybe 60% here, and then stretch this other one up to here and hit about 40 there, because I just think it. I don't know. It's obviously one to a 1.3R isn't really that crazy. It's obviously if it hits, it's good, but I'm not comfortable moving my stop loss any higher than that in case we do come a bit further down into this range. one to oh my, a 1.3R. Yes, I mean obviously a win's a win, that's good, but I still think it could push higher. So I'm going to take probably 60% at this high here, and then 40% at this high here, or full take profit at that high there, if we can actually reach that far. But we shall see. So yeah, let me just set this up. Oh, I need to put that high lock. Oh fuck. I'm balls out. Are you online? There's too many lines, man. I'm throwing myself off. Okay, so order. Stop us there. Take profit. Let's add a partial. One at 3.561, yeah, the other one at 1.34641. Take 60 here and 40 there. Because, okay, that looks about right. So I'll put that just up to there. Okay, see how this plays out. Kind of a slow start. Not too much happening. So we are in that 4 hour fair value gap, but I think we should be bullish. Right, that's a good candle. Actually, let me check the news. Oh, what date are we on? 3rd of October, right, 2025. Nothing until 2:20 p.m. and then 3 p.m. That's a weird time. There's nothing at 1:30, and I'm hoping we should be out the trade by that other kind of. Let's see, can we push up to at least our first partial. Consolidating a bit, which I'm not a huge fan of, but we haven't actually taken buy side yet, so we shall see. It's consolidating the range, and that's not even a big range. Obviously the full trade would be, but this one not so much. because it's happening on the higher time frame. I can't really work out. I mean, we are trending lower. I can't see what we could be retracing into now other than this low here in my head, but let's speed it up a little bit because it is taking a while. Oh, fucking hell, 4 per second. We'll be out of the train in no time. There we go, okay. Bit of an annoying one because I don't know what's happened there. I don't know what we're retracing into. Is it that? Right, okay, that's interesting. So, I'm not actually unhappy with that at all, for obvious reasons, because I'm going, we were overwhelmingly correct there. We traded into this order block. I have no idea why. I haven't, I suppose, but we've already traded into that. We came deeper into, I don't know. What have I got marked out here? What's this red one? I've got so much shit going on. What is that? Because it's kind of like aligned with that. Interesting, okay. But we've traded so much, like, we'd already respected this order block here, this 5 minute, which is kind of where that 15 minute is anyway. We traded into that and then reacted, but it's not even like we came back down and just touched that area. We like obliterated it and then rallied all within 5 minutes. So that's what we've traded into, this leg down here, I think, as well as this fair value gap. And swept sell side, obviously. But why, I don't really know. I don't think it was a bad trade. I just think obviously we missed time the entry ever so slightly. But I mean, you'd have really done well to catch this run up unless you entered off of unless you're some madman who's going to enter off of that. I mean, we're trading really deep in the discount there, so it's that sell side. Fill the order block, but unless you entered off 5 minutes, there's nothing on the 1 minute really. I don't know, bit of a weird one. I just couldn't anticipate that happening, and that happens. But I think actually quite a good trade. Arguably better than my last trade in the sense that overwhelmingly we were correct. How much higher did we trade for the rest of the day? Okay, this is good because it means that we are getting there on the higher time frames, but I just mistimed the entry a little bit, and I don't actually think that's even one where I can improve my entry. I think my entry was good. Everything looked good, and then for some reason we just traded into this again, so it's up sell side. Obviously, ran my stops, will have ran a lot of people's stops, and that's kind of what it was doing, and I got caught in that, but it's just one of them. Not a bad trade by any means though. If you have any thoughts, let me know. Otherwise, I'll catch you in the next one. Appreciate it.